truck has got zebra stripes on it. Ooh, really close up. Nope, wide. No left it. The truck's got zebra stripes on it. Sorry the videos have been so short lately, but haven't done anything. I've come home and it's like, what do I do? Such a slacker. I'm doing the eye closing thing again too. I don't know why I do that, but hopefully we'll get the videos to be longer again sometime soon. Oh, and that zebra truck that I showed you, one of the track-hoe, backhoe, whatever you want to call it things, on the back of it also had zebra print on it too, but I didn't get to catch that. That was so cool. It just made my day. Good night, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.